So standard 8, welcome back in expansion formulae. This is our lesson number 5. In the earlier video we have done some, I think the partial sum of 7th was done. Now the 5th and 8th, fifth sum 101 bracket cube, this we have to solve. So how we will solve it? WKT means we know that a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is our standard formula. In this we will fit this. So this first step I will do like this: 100 plus 1 bracket cube. So here also I will write 100 plus 1 bracket cube. A means 100 and B means 1. So 100 cube plus 3 A square means 100 square into B means 1 plus 3A, A is 100 into B square means 1 square plus B cube means 1 cube. So that is equal to 100 cube is what? 100 into 100 into 100, that is 100 cube. So I will teach you how to do the multiplication orally. 100 into 100. 1 ones are 1 and these 2 zeros will become 4 zeros. This way 100 if it is in the third place also, then it will be 1. 1 ones are 1, ones are 1 and 2, 4, 6. So 6 zeros. That way you will do the multiplication. Say 1 and these 2 zeros 6 times. 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the multiplication of 100 into 100 into 100. These two 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. Plus 3 into 100 square will be these 2 zeros 2 times. 2 times. Into 1 will be 1. Plus 1 square will be 1. So 3 into 100 will be 300 into 1. Plus 1 cube is 1. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. So that is equal to these 2 zeros, these 2 zeros and these 2 zeros. Plus 3 ones are 3. 2 zeros and these 2 zeros. Plus 300 ones are 300 plus 1. Now how we will be adding this? This unit place, this unit place, this unit place and this unit place, that is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then this 0 and this 0, that will be 0. Then this 3, then this 0, then this 0, this will be 3. So now this is exhausted. Now this and this 0. Now this and this 3. And now everything is remaining this. This is the answer. Addition also you can do here itself. So this way this sum is over. So we'll go for the next sum. You should all do all this by your own. Pause the videos, do it and see whether you can do it or not. The sixth one, x plus 1 upon x bracket cube. WKT as usual, a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now here it is our x plus 1 upon x. This a means this and b means this. So a cube means x cube plus 3, a square means x square into b is 1 upon x plus 3, a means x into b square means 1 upon x its square plus b cube means 1 upon x its cube, 1 upon x its cube. So that is equal to x cube is x cube plus 3 x square into this is 1 upon x plus 3x into 1 square is 1 x square upon x square plus 1 cube is 1 upon x cube is x cube. So that is equal to x cube plus 3. Now this x square is nothing but this x square I can write it as x into x and 1 will get cancelled with this. So 3x. See this x square into 1 upon x is nothing but x into 1 upon x. This x will get cancelled, this x will get cancelled and only x will remain. Plus similarly this also 3x into 1 upon x into x, this is x square. So this will get cut and will remain 3 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. So you should know all these cuttings. This is not plus, this is into. So hope that you have understood this. Now I am going to do the 8th one. 7th I have completed in the last video, but the video got paused in between, so that was incomplete. From this you can complete that sum. 8th one is 5x upon y plus y upon 5x bracket cube. Let me see whether the video has paused or what. So similarly here I will write 5x plus y upon y plus y upon 5x bracket cube. Means a and b, what is that? We know it. A means 5x upon y bracket cube plus 3. A square means 5x upon y its square into b. B is y upon 5x plus 3. A is 5x upon y into b square. B is y upon 5x bracket square. Now this one. So y upon 5x its cube. So we will expand it now. This is 5 cube is 125, 5 into 5 into 5. This is x cube upon y cube plus 3 into 5 square is 25 y square, this is x square upon y square into this is y upon 5x plus 3 into 5x upon y into this is y square upon 5 square is 25, x square is x square plus y cube upon 5 cube is 125, x cube is x cube. So there is some transformation available here. So this is 125 x cube upon y cube plus 25 3 is 75, but before that 5 1s are 5 5s are I can do. So 5 3 is 15. Okay, this is over. Now this is x square and this is x. See this, x square into this x square upon y square into y upon x. This I can write as x into x upon y into y into y upon x. This x will cut this way and this way and this way. So what will remain will be x upon this x upon y. So this will be 15x upon this y will remain. plus here also we will do the same thing. I will explain you this how that cutting would be possible. This one, so 5 1 the 5 5 the. That's all. Now this will be 3 I will not take, this only this I will take, x upon y into this y square upon x square. Y square upon x square is nothing but x upon y into y upon x into x. This will cut, this will cut, this will cut, this will cut. So y upon x will remain. And this 3 and this 5. So 3 y upon x. These 3 will be above, y will remain, and below will be 5x. See this. Once again I will explain this to you. Overall, this 3x upon y into, this will be y into y upon 5 into x into x. This cut, this cut, this cut, this cut. This will be 3y upon 5x, 3y upon 5 plus this y cube upon 125x cube, and here the sum is over. Hope that you have understood this all, and the exercise is over. Then tomorrow we will go for 5.3 in the next lecture.